Our skaters, this is a video on how to fix your soles if they have holes in them. As you saw from the previous clip, that my Nike SB Dunk has a few holes in it. So I took the soles from these Adidas that I previously skated and used the sole from that one to cut pieces out to actually fix up the holes from my Nike SB Dunk, because they pretty much still alive. They just needed like that little padding. It was uncomfortable to skate, so I took the soles from these shoes and I used them to patch up the holes. And it's a pretty simple process to rip up these shoes. It's just that it's unfortunate that I didn't record the clips of how I ripped up these shoes. Luckily, these Adidas soles had like this little rubber right here, and I used this rubber to actually pad the sides of my shoe so that it doesn't die quickly. And as you can see right here, that these have already been cut, so I already cut the pieces out of these shoes. And please enjoy the video and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you. These are some of the tools that I use. Pretty simple: an old toothbrush, some Steelbond Contact Adhesive, but you can use whatever glue you have, and a razor blade.